Next one is the dinner.
Betekent
Hoe staat dat doen?
Yes.
The Minister for Infrastructure, Minister for Fisheries,
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you.
Minister for Agriculture, and holding and my permanent secretary.
So here, on a shop visit.
This is in China. When I
My
was,
agency is here now.
I know when I was
You would know.
a few years back, we had some.
Full moment of your visit. This is the same. It was a bigger one. Bigger one. This is the small.
This is a token of our appreciation. This is Norwegian glass art.
Oh. Thank you very much. I'll see you later on.
Yes, looking forward to it.
See you later.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you.